Affirmations for Courage. Tape 02 from the series Caring Courage. Scripts created and spoken by neuroleadership coach Rob Botts. This tape isn't a morale-boosting speech, it's a way of thinking about how to act in situations of uncertainty. I acknowledge that fear is an unavoidable aspect of any obstacle, but it does not determine my actions. I remind myself that clarity and courage are more important than convenience, and this helps me to stay effective. I stand for my values, even when it is uncomfortable. This gives integrity to my actions. I have learned to sometimes make difficult decisions without having full and complete certainty, because it's important for me to keep moving forward. I admit my mistakes and correct them where possible. This approach builds my credibility and reinforces my personal growth. I do not avoid or postpone difficult conversations because I know that clarity is better than silence. It creates respect. I know that being popular is not my goal. Being a responsible and effective leader is. I choose to let go of the fear of rejection when making decisions, as this gives me freedom. I welcome differing opinions and remain open-minded, as this helps me to grow and widens my perspective. I say no when necessary to protect what truly matters. I remain calm and present under pressure. That provides stability to others. I see moments of uncertainty as opportunities to create something different, which helps me to stay flexible. I maintain my position when I'm convinced it is appropriate, even when faced with opposition. This demonstrates my endurance. I take calculated risks, knowing that stagnation is even more dangerous. This can broaden our scope of possibilities. By demonstrating courage, I encourage others to be brave, which strengthens and inspires our culture. Well done! Today you have reinforced the habit of thinking with courage. Take note of the following: more clear decisions, tackling difficult conversations promptly, and a relaxed approach to saying yes or no. Thanks for listening.